Are French doors energy efficient? Let Koehler Home Improvement teach you about that. If you're considering installing French doors in your home, you might ask, are French doors energy efficient? French doors are known for their beauty, but energy efficiency is a key concern for homeowners. At Koehler Home Improvement, we're here to answer whether French doors can help you save on energy bills while adding elegance to your home. What are French doors? French doors consist of two glass panels that swing open, often providing access to outdoor spaces like patios or gardens. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, homeowners often ask, are French doors energy efficient? Let's explore how these doors can impact your home's energy usage. Factors that influence the energy efficiency of French doors. 1. Material of the door. The material of your French doors plays a big role in their energy efficiency. So, are French doors energy efficient based on the material? Here's a breakdown. Wood French doors. Wood provides natural insulation but can warp over time, leading to drafts and reduced efficiency. Some text goes here. Are fiberglass French doors energy efficient? Yes, fiberglass is an excellent choice for energy efficiency because it resists heat transfer and maintains insulation for years. Vinyl French doors. Vinyl offers great insulation at an affordable price, making them an excellent energy-efficient choice for homeowners. While aluminum is not naturally an insulator, are French doors made of aluminum energy efficient? Modern aluminum doors come with thermal breaks that help improve their insulation properties. 2. Energy-efficient glass. When asking are French doors energy efficient, the glass used is crucial. Energy-efficient glass can reduce your home's energy consumption significantly. Consider these glass options. Double or triple glazed glass. These layers of glass trap air between them, minimizing heat transfer and improving the door's insulation. Low-E glass. Low-E glass reflects heat into your home in the winter and blocks heat from entering during the summer. Are low-E glass French doors energy efficient? Yes, this coating significantly boosts the efficiency of your French doors. Gas-filled glass. Some French doors come with gas between the panes of glass, like argon or krypton, enhancing insulation and preventing energy loss. 3. Seals and weather stripping. Even if your French doors are made from high-quality materials, the seals and weather stripping can affect their energy efficiency. Gaps around the doorframe can let in drafts, making it harder to keep your home comfortable. To ensure your French doors are energy efficient, are French doors properly sealed? Make sure they are installed with high-quality weather stripping that will prevent air leaks. 4. Proper installation. The best materials and glass won't provide optimal energy efficiency without proper installation. Poor installation can lead to gaps, drafts, and a poor seal. Are French doors energy efficient when installed properly? Absolutely. Correct installation maximizes their insulation, helping to reduce energy bills. How energy-efficient French doors can save you money. So, are French doors energy efficient enough to save you money? Yes. Here's how. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient French doors prevent heat from escaping in winter and keep your home cooler in the summer, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your energy costs. Consistent temperature. With proper insulation, your French doors help maintain a steady indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable. Some text goes here. Are French doors energy efficient enough to reduce HVAC use? Yes, when properly insulated, they reduce the need for constant heating or cooling, helping your HVAC system run less often. Are French doors energy efficient? The final answer. To answer the burning question, are French doors energy efficient? Yes, they are. French doors made from the right materials, equipped with energy-efficient glass, and properly installed can make a huge difference in your home's energy usage. At Koehler Home Improvement, we offer high-quality French doors designed to maximize energy efficiency while enhancing your home's beauty. If you want to enjoy a more energy-efficient home, contact Koehler Home Improvement today to learn more about our range of energy-efficient French doors. We'll help you find the perfect solution for your home. Visit the link in the description below for more information.